the next few videos are going to deal with creating an optimized post. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's go ahead and start by just firing up WordPress and going to write a post like you normally would. Of course, I'm here under the right section. I want to go ahead and show you that there are now some new options here because we installed the all-in-one plugin. Just going to go down here, and you can see there it is. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and you can see that every time you make a post, you now have the ability to create a title and a description and also keywords. These are basically meta tags and title. This is important stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and assume that you've already done keyword research. Let's say that we're going to create a post on potty dog training. So we'll say that that's going to be the actual keyword phrase. So if that is, it's going to be important that I use that exact phrase in this title. Now, do I want it just to be the title? All of that? No, of course I can add other things as well. How about this? So, of course, someone is struggling to train their dog, and they see this potty dog training and say, wow, okay, this is going to work for me. So again, I'm going to create a description, and I also want to use this exact keyword phrase in the description. So, let's see here. So there's a description, again, contains that exact keyword phrase. And then for keywords, I'm going to go ahead and use potty dog training, and then just some other ones that are related. And that's how you go ahead and add the SEO tags for your post. In the next few videos, we're going to talk about the actual post itself.